Welcome to Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at Cue Card. Describe a time when you helped a friend. So Cue Card is describe a time when you helped a friend. You have to cover the following cues. When was it? How you helped him or her? Why you helped him or her? And how you felt about it. So the sample answer for this cue card is people generally give and take help from one another when they are in need. I always try my best to help out people around me in whatever possible way I can do. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I assisted one of my friends, Amit, in his work. Amit is my college friend and he is very special to me. He has been working as a web developer for more than 3 years. A couple of months back, he was assigned a very important project, which was to create a shopping website. He and his teammates had to complete this project within a week, which was a very limited time. Although it was not the first time he was working on that kind of website, he still faced a lot of difficulties. There were some potential issues that he and his team members were unable to figure out. One day, he asked for my assistance regarding this project, as I have great experience in building shopping cart websites. On the following day, we began working on this project together at home. I have to say, it was a cumbersome task for me to come across main issues of this website. Fortunately, we found the error with the server and fixed it. The website started working properly and he was more than happy. Helping my friends give me a sense of satisfaction and solving his problem boosted my confidence. As a result, they were able to submit their website before the deadline. He and his teammates thanked me and appreciated my efforts. So, this was the moment when I assisted my friend. Now, sometimes we work together to learn new concepts from each other, which helps us become more experts in our field. So, this was the sample cue card. Now, we will look at follow ups for this cue card. How do people usually help each other? Individuals help one another in many different ways. They provide support to their close friends and relatives by giving them money or by giving sympathy in tough times. Moreover, young people assist their friends in their studies by sharing notes and other study materials. How is online help different from real life help? There is a big difference between helping someone on the internet and in their real life. When a person helps others in real life, they get an emotional touch. Whereas, in case of online help, people can provide assistance to poor people all around the globe. They can also do charity online through various charitable organizations. Next question is, should school be responsible for teaching students how to cooperate? Yes, I think so. Children spend most of the time acquiring knowledge and discipline in school, so teachers can also instill this skill. Therefore, I think a school is an ideal place for people to learn to become cooperative. Next question is, what are the differences between help from friends and help from family? I believe there is much difference between getting help from best friend and family. We don't need to do anything for family members when they help us, as we take it for granted. However, with friends, we feel obligated to do something in replacement while receiving help. Next question is, do you like helping others? Of course, I like it. When I assist others in any way, I get inner satisfaction and happiness. Moreover, I think it's my moral responsibility to do something for others. Next question is, should parents teach helping others to their children? Definitely, they should. Kids learn many life skills from their parents in a tender age to easily impart this thing to their children. Parents should try to help others in front of their kids, and kids will automatically become helpful individuals in their later life. Next question is, do you think nowadays people do more good work as compared to the past? Well, it's not true. Unfortunately, today people have become materialistic and straightforward, so they don't like to help others in any way. Whereas in the past, people used to be very helpful and honest, so life was very simple. Next question is, what is the most important way for a country to help foreigners who are visiting the country? I believe there are many ways through which foreign tourists can be helped. They can be assisted by taking them to their destination or by telling them the route, so they wouldn't face any difficulty in reaching their place. Then, local people can provide them quality service through food, accommodation, and transportation, so they can take back lovely memories to their native countries and eventually bring more tourists. So these were the sample follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please follow us on the social network we live on: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you.